Did you know your phone can get up to 30% slower in just 18 months of use? Shocking, right? Now, have you ever wondered how much faster your phone could be if you knew the right performance booster tricks? Whether you're trying to fix lag on Android or trying to fix a slow iPhone, this video is your guide to speed up phone performance today. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to speed up phone performance and make a device feel brand new again. You see, fast phones aren't just for tech-savvy people. Everyone deserves a lag-free experience. Whether you're editing videos, scrolling through social media, or gaming, having smooth performance enhances your day. It puts a smile, on your face. These app management and storage management tips will help you to improve or fix lags, boost phone speed, and transform your phone's device performance extremely fast. The big question is, why do phones slow down? Before I answer that question, you need to stick around to the end of this video so you won't miss the number one or the most important tip to get results immediately. Alright? Now the first reason is actually old cache files. You see, these digital leftovers clog your system, making everything slower. And number two reason, limited storage. When your phone memory is almost full, your phone has to work harder. And that's where smart management storage makes a difference. Okay? Number three, too many background apps. Over time, your phone piles up, takes in the background, consuming memory, and that's why app management is quite, critical for you. Alright? But anyways, let's dive into how to speed up your phone performance both on Android and also on iPhone. Number one, restart your phone weekly. This is simple but very powerful. You see, there are smartphone users, especially forex traders and crypto traders, who hasn't switched off their phone for almost 1 month now, due to they don't want to miss track of their one trading position or 1 month trading position that is opened. Alright, but this spoils your phone. A fresh restart clears memory and restarts background processes, helping fix lag on Android and speed your iPhone instantly. This will help to boost your iPhone speed and protect your device from further slow down. Alright? To number two, uninstall unused apps. Don't just close the apps. Delete the ones you haven't used in months. How can you have Snapchat on your phone and you haven't logged in more than 3 months? Do you know how much cache the app must have accumulated? Well, deleting unused app is critical for app management and works wonders to speed up your iPhone or your Android. Alright? Then number three, clear cache regularly. For Android users, clearing app cache is a key optimization move as it helps you to fix lag on Android, removing temporary junk that builds up over time. Okay? And number four, free up storage. You see, delete old files, photos, and downloads, as managing space is key to storage management. Alright? So learn to use cloud storage or external drives. Okay? The number five, reduce animations and background processes. On Android, going to the developer options would help you to reduce animations, although I don't usually suggest an average phone user to tamper with the developer options, except you are tech savvy, okay, or you have someone who is. Otherwise, reducing animations actually an instant performance booster. Alright, on iPhone, closing background apps and disabling motion effects help speed up iPhone performance. So yeah, the moment you've been waiting for. The number one of the most important tip to speed up your phone performance today is use light versions of heavy apps. Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram consume massive resources. In essence, downloading the light versions, especially if you're trying to fix slow Android or speed up iPhone, helps to improve performance and take less storage, helping with storage management and app management at the same time. For iPhone, cleaning Safari history, and disabling auto downloads as smart iPhone tips. Now, these iPhone tricks boost performance quickly and are perfect to speed up your iPhone without even trying to use third-party apps or even trying to jailbreak your iPhone, which is very dangerous for someone to do. Jailbreak an iPhone is dangerous, alright? Now, when you combine this weekly restarts, cache cleaning, and reduction in background processes, you will notice instant improvements on your phone, and this booster trick will save you from frustration and battery. Now, speaking of battery, you can actually check this video out after this one, as you won't regret it. As actually ways in which you can improve on your battery health or your battery in general, alright? But meanwhile, drop a comment and let us know which tip worked best for you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to explore my phone review videos or speed test videos. More content on how to fix lag soon will come out very soon too, alright? But meanwhile, thank you, so long, and take care.